Well, hi guys, it's that time again. Forgive the windy noise if there is any on the microphone. If after recording this it ends up being really noisy, then we'll put some subtitles in as well. But anyway, we are here. It's Friday, so it's time for another Friday forfeit challenge. And as you will see, we're dressed slightly differently. This is to celebrate the England Lionesses taking part in the England-Belgium first game of the UEFA Nations League. We quite like watching the Lionesses and the men as well. So yeah, we thought we'd commemorate it and wear appropriate tops for that. Now, the forfeit today, Vicky, or the challenge, is for me to replace a front brake cable within a certain time. And if I don't do it, I get wet. If I do manage it, then you're the one who gets your England top wet instead. Okay. So give me a time.
I don't even know what you do to a brake. How do you replace the
Removing the brake cable, taking it all out of the housing, putting a new cable back in, and then making sure that the brakes are properly working as if they've just come out of a factory.
Okay. Oh, I'll go 2 minutes then.
2 minutes?
Oh, if they're going to be factory working brakes, then
oh my gosh. Okay, 2 minutes. Now, normally we pre-record it or record it afterwards, but obviously it could be staged, it could be rigged. So we're going to do it live, and oh my gosh. Okay, I've got all the tools ready. I'm ready to go. Vicky, you can get the stopwatch going, and you can tell me, maybe give me a 3-second countdown, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Ready when you are. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, first thing to do is to remove the securing lock nut that holds onto the cable, then get the cable cutters on. Now I'm going to be rigging this side up to remove the cable from the actual brake lever. Oh my gosh.
It's going to be stuck, which will be great.
Yeah, it's a bit stuck. Okay, new one goes in. Normally, well, you can look at my other videos for this, but normally I'd add a little bit of oil to help lubricate things, but this is going to be a quick challenge today. Okay, sliding this back in here, and we're going to move that around so it doesn't fall out again. That's going to go in there, and then we're going to get the cable through the noodle and the dust cover. There we go. Whip that out of there. Get this through the whole guide. Excellent. Meets the outer cable with the noodle. There we go. Close the caliper arms together, but not completely, because there still needs to be some movement. What are we doing for time, Vicky?
Yeah, you need to go a bit slower.
Do I?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay, I think that's about right. Let's take a bit of tension off, maybe. A little bit of tension off. I don't want it to be sticking. I really hope you can hear me. Okay, there we go. Cut the cables. Get the extra crimp on the end as well. And then I'm going to take the bungee cable off the wheel and spin it. Oh my gosh, look at this one.
You have 15 seconds left.
Okay, that's on. Give me a countdown.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done it.
59, 159.
Oh my gosh, it would have been quicker if I got that cable crimp on the first time.
Are you absolutely sure that is completely correct? How can you do 159?
Oh my gosh, so close. Oh my goodness. Well, there we go. Vicky,
Oh,
you can't get more unrigged than that. Oh my gosh, and I'm so pleased you gave the timer at the time to me, because I think I might not have managed
no,
it.
I don't think you would either.
Okay.
I can't believe that.
I know. Well, as much as the bike has been part of the star of the show, I'm going to move this out of the way.
Oh, that's just shocking. That's rubbish. That was...
Okay, get my trusty bike stand out of the way. And I think we're about central there. Vicky, if you'd like to take your position.
I think that's unfair that you made me count it down. I've never, if we do a time count again, I'm never counting it down. Okay?
Really?
Absolutely, because you worked super fast towards the end with 1 second to go.
You sound like you're a bit of a sore loser on that.
Yeah, I am. Because I think that was unjust.
Well, I'm quite happy, Vicky.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
Okay, are you ready to pay the forfeit?
No.
That's hilarious. Okay. Oh, after last week, I'm particularly looking forward to this because I thought I was going to win it. So there we go. Okay, here we go. It gives me great pleasure, Vicky. Lie back, enjoy, relax.
Because it's cold.
There we go. Now that's one. If I remember rightly, that you offered, you gave me the second one pretty quickly last time, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh.
What do you want? Quick or slow?
Quick.
Oh, that has absolutely made my day.
Oh, it's made my day.
I'm getting wet, you're dripping on me. Well, that is it for another Friday forfeit challenge. I've got a funny feeling you might not be wearing that for the football match tonight. Maybe we'll have to get another
No, I
one.
don't think I will.
Anyway,
Get wet.
England, Belgium, England Lionesses tonight, and then again second leg next week. Follow the Lionesses through, go and support them, watch it on TV, go down the pub, support your local pub as well. But enough of that. Tune into our channel, keep looking at the other bike repair videos, and most importantly, please remember to like and subscribe. And if we hit enough subscribers, remember Vicky's birthday, we're going to have an extra special challenge involving all that party
Yeah,
food.
but 1,000 subscribers, because that's like, no.
So we've got to hit 1,000.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You heard it here first. She's the boss. I think we should do what she says. Anyway, I'm going to get this one indoors so she can defrost a bit. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you next time.
See you next week.